So after our very, very successful day, I am happy to say we now have Discovery's rudder here on the quayside. It's been an incredible moment to see it coming up through the ship and eventually going into its cradle, where it'll stay for about 12 months, so it'll be such a chance for all visitors to come and see as well. The rudder's been removed from the ship because we need to make way for a temporary cradle that will go above the ship at the stern section and help lift it back up into a position, so as we put new timbers in, it'll be in the correct position. Lifting the rudder has also released a lot of weight off that section, and so by removing that, that has allowed again for a natural bounce back of the stern section. It is an amazing thing to see, and I hope lots of people do come and visit and experience really up close. You'll get the chance to be really close to this and see something that helped them navigate their way through the most treacherous waters.